Hello students, welcome to this video. I hope you are well in this time. In our last session, we have studied about chapter number 3, that is storage. We will learn more about storage in this video. So up to now, we know that the main functions of the computer are input, processing, storage and output, and from them storage of data, programs and information is one of the most important function of a computer. So a computer can store large amount of data in its memory. This data could be text, pictures, videos and even sounds, and the stored data can be used whenever you want. So basically the computer memory are of two types, that is primary memory and secondary memory. We have studied about primary memory in our last video lecture. Primary memory is of two types, that is RAM means random access memory and ROM means read only memory. Primary memory is also known as internal memory or main memory. Today we are going to learn about secondary memory. As you know, data stored in RAM in form of electrical pulses. So the data in RAM will remain stored as long as the power is supplied to a computer. But you may lose your data if there is an interruption in power supply or accidentally switch off the computer. So many times some data and information are important to us. They need to be stored in a permanent basis. So we need secondary memory devices. Secondary devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, USB flash drive, memory card and many more also. These devices store data on a permanent basis. Means the data stored in these devices will remain permanent. If there is an interruption in power supply or accidentally computer is switched off, the data will remain stored if the data is in secondary memory devices. So let's start with the first device, that is hard disk. Hard disk is high capacity storage device. It is fixed inside computer cabinet, means CPU. It stores most of all the programs and information. When you switch on the computer, the first software loaded into computer is operating system, and operating system will also remain in hard disk. So we can say hard disk is a very important secondary storage device. As we know, hard disk is permanent storage device. It means when there is an interruption in power supply or you accidentally switch off your computer, the data that's stored in hard disk will be as it is. That's why it is called permanent storage device. Next one is CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is small round disc. CD is optical device storage. CD is inserted into optical drive, which is fixed inside the CPU. The data can be write or read using CD with the help of this optical drive. The capacity of storage is less as compared to hard disk, and the speed of CD is also slower as compared to hard disk, but it is permanent storage device. Next one is DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. It is also optical device storage, and like CD, it also uses optical drive. DVD also looks like CD, but storage capacity of DVD is higher as compared to CD, and generally DVDs are used to store high capacity videos and sound. Next one is USB flash drive. It is also known as pen drive. It is smallest storage device that you can carry in your pocket. It is plug and play device, mostly used for copying and moving files from one computer to another. Nowadays, USB flash drives are available in different sizes in market. For example, USB flash drives storage capacity around 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 62 GB and more on. As per the requirement, user can use USB flash drives. Next one storage device is memory card. Memory card is also one type of storage device. It is most of used for storing photos, videos and other data. The devices that uses memory cards includes digital camera, our smartphones, MP3 players and many more. In short, secondary storage devices are permanent storage devices. When you store data in these devices, the data will remain as it is, even if there is an interruption in power supply or accidentally the computer is switched off. In short, we can say storage of program, data and information is one of the most important function of a computer. So, computer uses these both type of memories, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory are mostly used for computer itself, and secondary memory are used to store user data. Secondary memory is also known as external memory. So in this way, the storage part includes very important function of a computer. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.